I am a forklift. Okay, I'm gonna roll now. Yay! You see that? Rolling all the way there. I'm Mario's friend. Okay, go ahead and roll. Yay! Hold on too. Tingnan right there. The white one. Alright, Daddy. Who's gonna help me? That guy right there. Oh yeah? Are you sure? Because the bridge is too small and he's very big. Oh yeah? Thing is already possible because this is a kids show. Hello? Oh yeah? Who's that guy over there? And the girl? One right there. What's their name?
This back right here.
Look at that. Wow, chocolate. Look at the light while the tire on the wheel is rolling. Wow, nice tire. Whoa. Who are you?
I am a forklift.
Heavy duty. Drip car.
Playing a DJ. The finish line with what is that, Daddy? That's a rice cooker. Hello. Okay, let's do it then. Are you waiting for? You're gonna press the button right there. You're gonna remove that Sonic, and you're gonna press the button at the same time. How are you gonna do that? We're gonna do our best. He is in front of me. He is in front of the house. Hello. Oh yeah. I think the F1 Kinder exploded somewhere. We need to find it. Oh, let's do it. I was expecting like that. You are amazing right there. Ready, get set, go. You see that? The chocolate bar. Look at that. Wow, chocolate. Look at the light while the tire on the wheel is rolling. What a nice tire. Look at that. Whoa. What we're gonna do? Pupa Dog. I'm about to roll right here on the slide. Going to check my friend over there. Green color, the green color of the camera, the boat right there, the green thingy right there. If you've been watching the show, oh wow. Okay, go ahead and slide if you want. Go ahead, slide. Okay, create your road any time you want, anywhere you want. That's how the military is. I'm going to get this Bugatti right here. We're gonna launch it right here. Okay, the highest road race. Okay, now we're gonna launch it. Let's see what's gonna happen. Ready, get set, go. Thing, hold on. Going to launch this ALFA Romeo C8. Okay, it's gonna go to the car wash. Okay, see the car wash down there? It's the one right there. Now. Ready, it's set, go. You see that? He went to the car wash, but he didn't make it perfectly. The car is down there. See the car wash right there? It's right there. Right, the white car right there, inside the car wash. In the green color. We used it for prayer the last time. Yay! Ready, get set, go. That's fast. Okay, Sonic didn't make it. I'm in electric. You're faster than the foil gas. Sonic is right here. It's kind of dark right now. There's a shadow inside. How about you, chocolate car? You okay? You keep on pushing me. I said don't do that. I would do anything for love. I'm not a chocolate. Do you think I'm a chocolate? I look like a dark color. Hello. One right here is gonna run all the way to the finish line, all the way there. But sit up is a complicated. Just a little shake, it will collapse the building. Not a building. The expressway. Speed racer. You can see right there, we have special effect on there. Okay, this one right here and Fire rescue. And the ambulance right there behind the
It's too heavy.
soldier man right here. And
It's too
the
heavy.
fire rescue.
Okay.
And the ambulance right there behind the soldier.
Come on.
Remember me? I'm attacked right there, the yellow one. And there's a green Paw Patrol dog there. And the dog is right there. I found it. One is moving every 20 minutes. I hear the sound.
Oh, yeah.
How the technology did this. Okay? As you can see right here, we're gonna do all of this. The reverse and go. And all the car was moving. You can do that but stop watch. Even down there. Even right there too. Twinkle, boy. Car. Look, I'm gonna roll it. Look, the car. See? So ready, get set, go. That's fast. I am a mile sprint. Okay, go ahead and roll. Yay.
Then
Hold on too.
we're gonna go to the top.
Then thing fell.
That is star.
Woo, 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 woo. Go and roll. Who are you?
I am a forklift.
Rock boy thing the rock. Imagine.
Can I do it?
Rolling hard with us. Playing a DJ right here. Oh, you playing the DJ, boy? It's like a DJ. That one is a dartboard for the Nerf, boy.